In the Twilight vlog that I did in collaboration with Charlton, I actually pooched my setup by accidentally releasing the clip on my tripod, causing the clip to actually fall together with my phone, and I damaged it. But thankfully I was able to find one of these gorilla or octopus type tripods on Takealot, and it was actually ordered on Thursday and delivered by Friday, which is a record turnaround time. So big thank you to Takealot, really appreciate that. Super service from you guys. And when I actually opened this packaging now, I saw that it's got the clip that I've been searching for the longest time. So I'm really excited to be able to use this new equipment. I've also managed to figure out my camera settings, so hopefully going forward you'll see that the edits will not be as jittery. Big thanks to Charlton for actually pointing out to me what sort of settings I need to be using. That will also help me with my editing. So in the first week of July, we actually celebrated the 1-year anniversary of Robyn having a Jazz, and I thought what better way to treat the car with a couple of accessories. So as you guys will know, those of you that are following the page or the channel, I do sell mag wheels as well as car accessories, and I've actually had a set of wheels that nobody's really shown interest in, but I mean it's such a stunning wheel, and I thought I'm going to surprise Robyn and let her know that I was going to be fitting some new wheels to the car, since it does need some new tires on the rear as well. So let me just go inside and show you guys which wheels I'm referring to, and I would also like to get your opinions on whether I should be doing it as a square set, as a staggered set, and yeah, which J I should be using on the car. So these are the wheels that I'm referring to. It's the HPWs. Let me just get them down and show you guys what they look like, and yeah, I'll do a test fit on the Jazz as well. So this is the wheel that I've been referring to, HPW. It's got a nice old school feel to it. Yeah, this is the 7J, which will go in the front, and in the rear is the 8.5J. Hush. So I've just finished up the test fit, and as you guys can see, the 7Js in the front and the 8.5 in the rear. I've got enough of the wheels in stock to be able to make it a square set, so either 7J all around or 8.5 all around. But I quite like the staggered fitment. What do you guys think? Should I go with a square fitment or should I keep it staggered? Leave your comments down below. Possibly by next week I will have made my decision based on what you guys say as well, and we will then go and get those tires and get them fitted into the car. Till then guys, I'm going to just pack up and call it a night. I hope you guys will have enjoyed the cinematics. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember, your build, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.